Hey guys, Andy Spoons here at Timbecon, and today I wanted to take a moment to talk to you about Walrus Oil's Furniture Wax. This is the wax that I use on all of my spoons. I finish all of my spoons with it. It's a polymerizing finish, so it's a nice water resistance. It's completely food safe, all organic materials. It's a really, really fantastic oil to finish spoons, or wax to finish spoons. I basically just add a small layer of it onto the spoon and then leave it for about 15 minutes and then give it a buff away. And then any amount of time that you can leave it, the oil starts to cure. A week is probably best, but if you give it about a week and then you're good to go, you buff it off. And I mean, I've put it on and left it for a couple of days and then started eating with a spoon straight away. It's a really fantastic, a really nice smell and taste to it as well, because there are other oils that people finish spoons with that can have quite a strong taste. And I do really appreciate that this is almost nothing at all. You can barely taste it there. And it smells just a little bit like tung oil. There is a little bit of tung oil in there, but yeah, it's really, really beautiful. So a little goes a long way. And you can see that grain already starting to pop. It doesn't take much. It's so nice how vibrant it makes the grain show up. It's like a completely different spoon at that point. Beautiful. What you can also do with a polymerizing oil like this is you can leave it in the sun, and UV does actually speed up the curing process just a little bit. So, you know, once you're done with your spoon, set it in a sunny windowsill and then buff away the excess afterwards. And it will completely bead water as well. I have used this on my own eating spoons, and I've been using an eating spoon that I finished with this for over a year now, and you cannot tell that it's been used. It still looks brand new. But yeah.